Hello everyone, it's Hanny with my Junk Journal Embellishment Challenge number 64. I'm not sure, sorry, I have to check it. If it's 64, and the prompt is number 2. And I'm going to make a tag. Well, I had this little piece of painted cardstock, crafting paper, how do we call that? Well, I think it's 300 GSM, something like that. Well, and number 2, yeah, I found this thingy. I got this from a friend of mine. I think it was Raina. Thank you, Raina. It's been a while, but I still have it. And I'm going to use this one, I think. Maybe as a little pocket on the tag, I don't know. I found a number 2 on my digital sheet. This is my digital sheet. You can find it in my Etsy shop. Well, I have this number 2. Maybe I'm going to use that. And I have lots more. I have all kinds of number 2s. I have a wooden number 2. Maybe I'm going to use one of those. Like that. I have stamps. I have more stamps, but these are the stamps I liked. Stickers, well, all kinds of stuff. Maybe I'm going to use something of that. But I think I have enough here. Well, I can't do that because I want to make a pocket of it, I think. I don't know. This number 2. Maybe some color, maybe a stamp. Here's a number 2. And here's a number 2. Well, I don't know what to do, but we'll see. This is going to be the tag. I'm going to glue something behind it, I think. Well, I speed up and I hope you enjoy watching.